So what I do is I carry some nails in here, my knee pads, seam tape, my glue, and hammers, and then a seam roller. And this is what I'm going to use to patch this turf. Now I don't like how there's actually a little gap in here, so I'm going to fix that as well. So this here, I'm just going to use this self-adhesive tape along here, and instead of the glue, because I'm going to nail it down anyways. And I feel the backing off like this. Cut another stitch row off. And I overlap it on these butt seams, or head seams, whatever you want to call them, just to help secure the whole thing into place. And when you hammer it down, you go over it. Now, you don't see anything. So there you go. Patch is done. Looks good as the day it was installed. You can run this over it a few times if you need to, but you really don't need to. And that's it.